Okay, everybody, today's unboxing of a 3x3 Rare Yuxin and some kind of 2x2. Not sure what kind. Let's open this up. I'm thinking this right here is the 2x2. They said they didn't know what brand it was. Well, it came in a box, so it's got to be halfway decent. 100Z magic cube. There's a little king sign here, which I guess you're supposed to take these out so you can see the cube on both sides. Let's open it up and take a look. Well, it doesn't matter if you open it from the top or the bottom. Either way, it's hard to open. Jeez. Give me just a second. Try busting through these sides right here. Okay. I got it open. Okay. So I don't know. Okay. Feels good. It is stickerless, I think, or the stickers that's on there is really good. And it actually has the screws, so it's just about like the one that I had and is not working now. Okay. We're going to put that back up. So, we got this now. And let's open the Yuxin. Now, rare comes in two ways. There's rare as in, oh, this is really rare, so it's like worth nothing whatsoever. And then there's rares and, hey, it's worth something. And I don't know which rare it is, but it always comes sealed with the instructions right there and a card. And I know this because I have one. Most of the time when I'm doing stuff, this is the cube that I'm using. If I'm not using this one, most of the time it's my Diane. So I got my 2x2 and my other Yuxin speed cube today. So I'm pretty happy. Thanks for watching. And okay, I just want to do a quick size comparison. That's about it right there. And the color scheme. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.